Hello lovelies, I'm coming to you from my kitchen today and I want to give you a sneak peek on a recipe that's going to be in my thyroid reset program that I'm launching on Black Friday. So I've got everything pre-cut so I can do this rather quickly and show you how easy it is to make a chicken vegetable soup that is hearty and delicious and healthy for you and so good for your thyroid. So I've got my pan right here. I put in a spin of avocado oil, I'll show you that. Next, what I'm going to do is add some vegetables. This is about 3 pieces of celery, 2 carrots, and some onion. That's about a half onion. You could use a medium onion, as much as you like. Just add that in, and then what we'll do is turn the heat on to medium, give it a little pinch of salt. You don't need a lot because there's some salt in the broth, some pepper, and then I'll let that cook up on, like I said, medium. And then from there, once this gets a little tender, I'll add in the rest. I've got some fresh cut green beans and some leftover chicken. So you can use leftovers for this. It's so easy. And then if there's any other vegetables that you like, just add those too. So I hope that you try this. It's super easy. Oh, and I forgot the main thing, the base. This is a bone broth, but you could use chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever you love. So I hope you try this out, and then I hope that you'll join us for the Thyroid Reset Program. Have a great day.